Hello, this is Rachel live from Kalkine Studios and you're watching the IPO Corner, a weekly show with hot public offerings and information about listing companies. However, before investing in any shares, investors need to understand the business prospects and operations in detail, such as future risks and returns. This can include changing the IPO price or issuance date as the companies see fit. Let us now look at the IPO listing scheduled for the week according to the ASX website. First up, High-Tech Metals is an Australian unlisted public company incorporated in Western Australia on the 11th of February last year. The company was formed to acquire 100% of the properties forming the Werner Lake project, a cobalt project located in northwestern Ontario in Canada. High-Tech Metals has undertaken a $5.5 million public offering at a 20-cent issue price. According to the ASX, the company planned to list on the 23rd of January. Westar Capital is the lead manager for the listing. And in other news from the IPO world, gold hydrogen listed on the Australian Securities Exchange on the 13th of Jan. Now, gold hydrogen is exploring the future of clean energy in Australia, looking for more affordable and sustainable ways to produce hydrogen power. Shares of the company rose as much as 10% on their first day of trading. The company hopes to capitalise on a global demand for zero-emission fuel sources. Gold Hydrogen raised $20 million in its initial public offering, which it plans to use to begin drilling in South Australia. And we have news on a delisting. Demetallica says following completion of the takeover offer from AIC Mines and compulsory acquisition of the remaining shares in Demetallica, it's now wholly owned by AIC Mines. Demetallica is expected to be removed from the ASX official list on the 23rd of January, and that's Monday. Well, it's time to wrap up the IPO Corner show. Before investing in IPOs, investors must check the company's credibility and track record. Risk appetite level varies in investors, and you need to consider factors such as analyst views, brokerage ratings, industry outlook, and financial performance with peer review before making an investment decision. Also, it's important to note that companies can change the IPO price or issuance date as they see fit. Well, that's all for now for the IPO Corner show. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV. We've got many more shows lined up for you with live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.